How to book your IELTS test online with IDP. Step 1. Visit IELTS.idp.com. Step 2. Choose your city, date, and test type. Step 3. Select the test center and time. Step 4. Create your IELTS profile. Step 5. Confirm your profile and proceed to payment. Step 6. Choose a payment option. You can either pay online or pay offline. In case of online payment, pay through your credit card. In case of offline payment, visit an IDP center or pay via bank transfer using the provided reference ID and email the picture of the payment receipt to your respective IELTS test center.